The camera world is about to get exciting again. Nikon is preparing something big, something powerful, and something that could easily shake up the mirrorless market. The Nikon Z8 II. If you thought the original Z8 was impressive, wait till you hear what Nikon has in store for its second generation. From insane new performance to smarter design and cutting-edge video features, this camera might just redefine what creators expect from a full-frame powerhouse. So stay tuned because this one could be a real game changer. Welcome to Tap Tech, where we break down the most anticipated gadgets before anyone else. The Nikon Z8 II is rumored to bring a major leap forward in performance and usability. Nikon listened to professionals, creators, and filmmakers who loved the first Z8, but still wanted more. More speed, more power, and even more reliability. And it looks like Nikon took every bit of that feedback seriously. Let's start with the heart of the camera, the sensor. The Z8 II is expected to feature a brand new 45.7 megapixel stacked BSI sensor, similar in resolution to the Z8, but with faster readout and better dynamic range. This means cleaner shadows, richer highlights, and colors that just pop right out of the frame. It's built for those who demand maximum detail, whether shooting portraits, landscapes, or 8K video. Speaking of speed, one of the biggest rumors is the upgraded X-Speed 8 processor. This new image engine could double the performance, allowing for even faster autofocus, reduced rolling shutter, and smoother burst shooting. The current Z8 already shoots at 20 frames per second in RAW and 120 frames per second in JPEG, so imagine what the Z8 II could do with a more advanced processor. We're talking near-instant response and precision tracking like never before. Autofocus is another area Nikon is said to have pushed to the next level. Expect an even smarter subject detection system, one that not only recognizes humans, animals, cars, and planes, but can track them in unpredictable motion with almost perfect accuracy. And with improved AI algorithms, the camera can lock onto a subject's eye even in low light or when they're moving fast. For creators, that's a big deal. No more missed focus or blurry frames. And yes, low-light performance is expected to take a big leap forward too. The Z8 II could feature expanded ISO sensitivity with better noise control. That means cleaner results even when shooting at high ISO levels. Whether you're capturing nightscapes, concerts, or street photography after sunset, the Z8 II will be ready to deliver crisp, usable shots without the heavy grain. Now let's talk video, because this is where things get seriously interesting. Nikon is positioning this camera to compete directly with heavyweights like the Sony A7RV and Canon R5 Mark II. The Z8 II is rumored to support internal 8K 60 FPS video recording in NRAW and ProRes RAW formats, along with 4K 120 FPS for super smooth slow motion. Combine that with 10-bit color and Nikon's incredible color science, and you've got cinema-quality footage straight out of the camera. Filmmakers will also love the rumored dual CFexpress Type B and SD card slots, giving more flexibility for workflow. Plus, Nikon might introduce improved cooling to prevent overheating during long 8K sessions, a huge improvement over the first version. The body design may look familiar, but subtle refinements could make it even better. Slightly improved grip, redesigned buttons, and an updated articulating LCD screen for easier shooting at creative angles. And yes, rumor has it the electronic viewfinder might get a major boost. Possibly a 9.44 million EVF with zero blackout and higher refresh rates. That means a viewing experience that feels almost optical, but smarter and faster. Battery life was one of the areas people wanted more from the original Z8. Nikon seems to have listened. The new NL15X battery, combined with power management optimization, might deliver noticeably longer shooting times. And USB-C fast charging will let you top it up while on the go. Connectivity is another area Nikon is modernizing. Expect faster Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and maybe even a 5G option for instant cloud upload or live streaming. With creators increasingly sharing in real time, this could make the Z8 II a social media powerhouse as well as a professional workhorse. Another rumored feature is advanced in-body image stabilization, up to 8 stops. That's massive. It means smoother handheld shots, steadier video, and more flexibility for low-light photography without needing a tripod. Combine that with Nikon's already excellent lenses, and this setup will let you capture pro-level results anywhere. Nikon could also introduce a new menu layout that's more intuitive and easier to navigate, especially for hybrid shooters. There might even be a customizable quick menu that lets you assign frequently used settings for faster control. But here's the fun part. Nikon might finally bring a new AI-assisted shooting mode. This mode could analyze scenes in real time, automatically adjusting color tones, focus depth, and even exposure to match the subject and environment. It's like having a virtual photo assistant right inside the camera. Durability will remain top tier. The Z8 II is expected to keep the same rugged magnesium alloy body with weather sealing that protects it from dust and moisture. So whether you're shooting in the desert, the rain, or freezing cold, this camera should keep going without a hitch. Many photographers are calling this model a mini Z9 II. It's lighter, smaller, but nearly as capable. The Z8 series is meant to bring flagship performance to a more compact and affordable form. And if Nikon delivers all these improvements, this could easily become one of the most balanced mirrorless cameras ever made. Let's not forget about price. While nothing is official yet, the Z8 II might start around $3,999, depending on configuration. That's not cheap, but when you compare what it offers to its competitors, it could still be one of the best value options in the high-end market. And as for the release date, insiders suggest Nikon could announce the Z8 II sometime in early 2025, possibly around spring. Nikon might even tease it earlier with a short promo to build the hype. And you know the photography world will be watching closely. If you're a creator, this might be the one camera that gives you everything you need: high resolution, top-tier video, lightning-fast focus, and a rugged build, all in one beautifully balanced package. It's like Nikon took every wish from professional photographers and rolled it into a single device. What's exciting is that Nikon seems more determined than ever to push innovation forward. After the success of the Z8, this second-generation model isn't just about small tweaks. It's about showing that Nikon can still compete at the top of the game, side by side with Sony, Canon, and Panasonic. The Z8 II could easily become the go-to camera for those who want Z9-level power without the size or price tag. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, cinematic videos, or high-speed action, this camera could handle it all with confidence. So if you've been waiting to upgrade your setup in 2025, keep your eyes on this one. The Nikon Z8 II might just be the camera that defines the next generation of mirrorless photography. And honestly, if Nikon really delivers everything the rumors are pointing to, we could be looking at one of the best hybrid cameras of the decade. A perfect blend of power, precision, and creativity in one compact body. Thanks for watching TapTech. If you enjoyed this sneak peek at the upcoming Nikon Z8 II, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps us reach more creators like you. And don't forget to subscribe, because the moment Nikon officially drops this camera, we'll be breaking it all down with real specs, tests, and comparisons you won't want to miss. This is TapTech, where innovation meets obsession. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and I'll catch you in the next one.